Hello, everybody. In today's video, we will be guiding you through how to make a drill beat. So start by making a region, and setting the BPM to around 140.
Setting the BPM to 140.
And going on Looperman and finding yourself a great sample, drum sample. So this is the drum sample I found. It's about how it goes. This is UK drill, not really like regular drill. Regular drill wouldn't be that busy. Let's go some C minor, C sharp minor. Also go ahead and find yourself a guitar sample. Time to make chords. Well, yeah. Alright, go in there, select the scale, select how you want it to go. Yeah. So like, let's go C minor something. No. This. Let's listen to it. Okay. Let's bring that down quite a few octaves. So like maybe 3 more octaves. Okay, so now let's put it like that. I'm not going to teach any music theory, but just click on Smart View and set the key and it's fine, alright? Merge as one region, and now you have your chord progression. Now, you probably want your 808s. So, I also, actually no, set the BPM to 143. Actually no, set it back to 140. 140. Okay, set it to 143, right? And then, hold on. Oh, I messed up. So, set your BPM to 143. I mean, 144, whatever you like. And you can just find it backup 808 or something. Oh, that's not an 808. What? You just get a 808 sample, but if you're like me and really cheesy, then you can make your own 808. So, instruments, and select an.
$808.
And let's go. So, I don't think that's supposed to happen. Okay, yeah. Saturated, 808 saturated bass. Make it 4 bars. Notice 4 bars, not 8 like everything else, because we can just repeat it. Oh my lord, this is glitching. Okay. Maybe you just can't do that. I'm just gonna make a super simple pattern. It's too high. That's like way too high. Alright, let's go. So let's put it like there. Be as short as you can. see how that sounds. Because it might sound really bad. Because I haven't applied any music theory to it yet. Okay, you can't even hear it. So, plan to make it really, really high volume. And you can just delete it. And try again. Now, let's zoom out a bit. Yeah. Alright, zoomed out. And let's see how this sounds. And maybe sounds. Not half bad. Now I'll just show you and do this to repeat it. Merge this one region, and then I'll see you when we're done with the arrangement. I just wanted to clarify that set the 808 to negative 2.6 dB. This is me in the middle of ranging. You want the drop to be 16 bars. According to the 8-bar rule, you can't really do that. So what I decided to do is just add a violin or something. Violin. And just drag this down here after. So like yeah. Okay, so this is the final arrangement. I'll zoom it in so you can see it. Feel free to pause and copy it down. Oh yeah, and all of this is repeated, so there's no variation. So even though there are no lines indicating the repeating, it's because I merged it all as one region. But it's just repeating. There's no actual differentiator. So yeah. Good luck on the next one, and here's the final result. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed and have a great day. Keep safe.